Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to install your Ring door view cam. The first step is to actually charge the supplied battery with the supplied cable. It's a nice orange cable, and plug it into any USB charging head that you may have. And what you'll notice is these lights. Now there's an orange and a green light. When only the green light is displayed, that is when your battery is charged and ready to go. So, first thing you need to do is from the tools in your Ring door view cam box, you'll find this little metal tool here. Okay, so we're going to use this. What we want to do is just check there's no paint or anything around the edge of the existing spy hole that's installed, and check on the outside as well. There's a little bit there, but I think it's not connected to the door, so we should be fine. And then you can use this way around to actually unscrew the spy hole, but the best thing is to hold it from the other side so the other side doesn't fall out. Keep turning anti-clockwise. And you can see it's starting to unscrew on the other side. And then you can just turn it from the front by hand. It should come out like so. You've still got the other side in. So you can just push it out from this side. And then be enough to be able to get out from the other side. You just jiggle it a little bit, there we go. So we have the hole there, which we're now going to put in the Ring door view cam. Next step is to make sure it's flush, and then I want to insert the Ring view cam in through the hole, like so, and make sure the back of it is flush with the door. That's as close as we're going to get. You want to keep that straight later on. Okay. And you'll see that this comes through here. And you may have some dogs. It may look like this, may look different. But yeah, let them watch you. Let them enjoy the entertainment of watching you try and do this little bit of DIY. Now, then there's something called converter. So for larger holes, you may need a converter. This is supplied with your Ring door view cam. The way to do it is just slot it in and just check if it goes in. In my case, it does. So that means the hole is a little larger than perhaps the usual size. Put that in. I advise you not to leave it like this because somebody could walk past outside and just take it. So make sure you install the next parts straight away. Don't leave it just hanging out, or take it out and have it ready to put back in again. The next step is to remove this little sticker and this orange cap, as you can see. And then we're ready to put the back piece on. Now, the back piece looks like this, and you want to pinch together here to take the back part off, so you just have the cover. Okay. There we go, it just loosens, so you can take the back off for now. Just keep it nearby. Then you've got this part which needs to then go on the back of the door, on the inside of the door. And be careful when you do this that you don't knock the door cam through to the other side, so make sure you get it in the hole. There we go. Try and keep it flush with the door. And then you have this little wire. Now the next stage is to pull out this connecting wire. A bit tricky, so be gentle with this, be careful with this, so that it comes out carefully. There we go, I think I've got it. Gently does it. There we go. That's it. Okay. Then you need to take your tightening nut out of the box. And just pull the wire gently, make sure there's no further slack. And then you need to put the tightening nut on. So get it through there. It's not going to fit, is it? Yeah, gently pull the wires, make sure it's out, and then put the tightening nut in place. So it just screws on gently, like so. Make sure it's perpendicular to the door. Okay, then you tighten this up by hand. Make sure it's perpendicular to the door. You can use the tool also to tighten this up. There we go. So basically we want to stop it moving around on its own. That's what this does. Okay, that's pretty good. Check the front part. It's slightly, there you go. And then we want to connect up the, tighten that a bit more. There we go. Then we want to connect this up. Okay, then you're ready to connect the connecting wire. The way to do this is you want to get the wire through as much as you can. Get the slack through, like so. Yeah. And then, as you can see, that is then ready to connect. It's now connected. And you see the slack? Then what you do is pull this down, and any slack, you just hold it in place there. There we go. And then you need to put in the battery. As you can see, the battery is now charged because you can only see the green light remaining. So you need to disconnect it from the battery, like so. And then you're ready to put it into your unit. So once your battery is fully charged, you will need to put it in place. And as you can see, it has that shape, so clearly you need to put it in like this. Okay. And it clicks in like that. So now it should power on. And you see this QR code, you can use that during setup in the Ring app, which you'll need to do. Just follow the prompts in the app. That'll show you how to get it all working. And then once you've done that, you can then just put the... See, you can hear it. Your ring device is in setup mode. You can put the back cover on and leave it open like that, and you can actually see through it as a normal spyglass as well, in addition to the video features. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.